dipyn o le gan Harrington. Fi'n bas ddeallus yn oedd. Fi'n gywir. Harrington, mae gen ddau gael hwnna mewn, a mae'n gol i'w rwyd i hun. Mae'n gol i'w rwyd i hun. Mae Gibson yn dathlu fe nath Ryan Harrington yn gampus i roi hwnna mewn i'r cwrt, a pan da chi'n gwynebu'ch gol eich hun, mae'n anodd, a mae Cei Connah ar y blaen o fewn 5 munud. Mae'n bas letraws dda o ardderchog. Sbiwch ar y lles gan Davies, arbediad campus. I fod yn deg, ath y bêl yn syth at Tibbets, ond byddech chi wedi disgwyl i Davies sgorio honna, mae o'n gwybod y dyle fo. Ac o bosib ar gwynt ar y cryfa, mae wedi bod gydol y noson. Dyma oedd yn cael ei addo, bod y mellt o 70 milltir yr awr yn cyrraedd. Ac oedd na afel ar yr ergyd yna i fod yn deg. Hafan oedd o. Pŵl oedd Franklin. Sbiwch ar y lleiad gan Franklin. Pŵl yn dal i redeg. Edwards. Franklin, Twt. Pŵl. Mae fewn. Kenny yn sgorio'r ail. Diwedd y symudiad, y slick, a fyddech chi'n tybio bod y ffordd nôl i'r Fflint nawr yn anodd. Ond pêl-droed taclus mewn amodau ofnadwy, a mae Kenny yn ei gwneud hi'n 2-0 i Cei Connah. Morris, sbiwch ar y lles gan Franklin. Nawr te, gyda fo le i argydio, dio beth eisiau gwneud na, di mae wastad yn chwilio am y bas dreiddgar. Pŵl. Franklin eto. Ffona, mae'n mynd i hun arbediad ar dderchog gan Tibbets. Ath o lawr yn dda, oedd hi ar y targed. Ond Franklin, un ochr i'w i'r gole'r gêm. Oedd yna myneddgar a sbiwch ar y lle, a mi ddyle Wild i honna fewn o bawb. A dio methu coelio bod hi ddim yn dair. Y targed fydd Wild. Angen gwell cic na honna. Morris nôl o'r beniad. Nawr mae'n disgyn. Am gol i Quay Edwards. Oedd hi bron iawn fel cic o'r smotyn iddo fo'n doedd. Ac yna fe amser i edrych cyn tanio. Ac mae Quay Edwards di selio'r fuddugoliaeth heb unrhyw amheuaeth.
It was always a potential banana skin. That's probably why the cameras were here. Fflint against Connah. Lots of people from both sides, have been, in both changing rooms. So Fflint, I thought, were really good. They worked really hard. They caused us a couple of problems at different points, but I thought we were in complete control of the game for the majority of it. But in the cup, you're always aware that one moment can change the game. So when the third goal went in, we felt more comfortable.
I thought it was a game of two halves. I think disappointed we lost the game. Of course we are, but the manner in we lost, I thought we matched them, especially first half. I thought we were the best team. To go a goal behind at half time, especially the way the goal went in as well. I think it was an own goal from Steve, but the cross to come in and not being on our front foot. But at times there was not much difference between the two teams in the first half. Second half, I don't think they stuck to the game plan as much, and I think Disney got on the ball in the shape in midfield. They started finding the spaces that we tried to control in the first half, and then they've scored the third goal. So yeah, disappointed we've lost, but I was really proud of the performance, especially against the teams who are flying high in the league above.
We've set certain targets for ourselves. I think we're playing in a different brand of football this season, which I think is clear for everybody to see. I think the lads are enjoying playing in this way, and as long as the results keep coming, we'll continue to do that. And you only win games of football when you're enjoying it as well.
I know you won't want to make excuses, but I have to ask about the conditions, really challenging conditions. Do you think that had an effect at all?
No, I thought both teams tried to get the ball down and play football, so it has been windy. It is, that's no excuse at all. The goals have gone in and we've lost 3-0, and something that we conceded for against Llandudno as well, so I want to sort of get rid of that habit really, especially in our league. But I thought the weather was okay, just a bit cold, a bit windy.
I think you're the only person that thought the weather was okay.